Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer placement. So this is your end of the March, end of the March. End of the month love reading. O, 'di ba? Una pa lang sablay, o, 'di ba? Ayoko nang ulitin. Oo, dire-diretso na 'to. O, 'di ba? Okay, ulit. This is your end of the month love reading, Cancer. Okay. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yet, syempre, ko alam ba't ako nabubulol. Siyempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Ito po yung kanyang name, okay, sa kanyang FB page. Hindi po ako ito, ha? Oo, siya po ito yung friend ko, no? Oo, may mga tawag dyan. May mga nalilito, oo, nagme-message. May message ako ni Perception, oo, sasabihin niya, hoy, nahanap ka nito, oh, 'di ba? May pag ganun 'yon, oh, 'di ba? Okay, 'di ba? Perception. Oh, kung nanonood ka man, oh, 'di ba? Okay. So, yan. Message lang po, han. Yeah, don't forget to follow. Okay? Our FB page. Okay. So, kung may tanong naman pagdating sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet, this is available in red and black strings. And yes, nilalagyan natin ng initials kada kung sino yung magpapagawa. Okay, kung kanino, sino magmamayari. Yan, tinatanong natin dahil nilalagyan natin ang initials, yung bracelet. Okay, so makikita nyo, meron niyang limang evil eye. May kanya-kanya po yan, ha? Kung ano-ano yan. Okay? This is protection. Okay, and yeah, ito naman ang ating evil eye bracelet. Okay, so kung anong meron dito, meron din siya. Kung hindi nyo trip to, kung ito trip nyo, pwede nyo naman tong i-purchase. Okay, so message lang kayo. Okay, so available naman yan. Okay, and ano pa ba? Itong ating evil eye ring, this is adjustable, this is non-tarnish. Okay, oo, depende rin po ha sa pag-aalaga. Ha, tingnan nyo yung akin, o, di ba? And yes, oo. Ito naman ang ating evil eye necklace. Okay, yeah. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, mga ganyang keme-keme, no? Oo, as per manufacturer, yes. Okay, so yan siya. And yes, meron siyang extender. Okay, extenders. So, kung gusto nyo medyo masikip at kung gusto nyo medyo na hanggang dito, yan, pwede yan, ha? Okay. And, ano pa ba? Yan, lahat naman ito is adjustable. Ito naman kasi is, meron siyang ganyan, garter. Okay? So, yeah. O, diba? 3 minutes opening. Okay. Cancerians, love reading. Kung may mga tanong po ha, 'di ba may pahabol pa. Oh. May tanong po ha, just message me. Okay. Cancer, anong situation meron ng mga Cancerians? Okay. The Chariot, so this is you. Okay, this is your energy. The Chariot, that's Cancer. The Temperance. Going with the flow. Yeah, going with the flow. Yun ang una ko narinig. Going with the flow. Para lang magkaroon ng reconciliation for some of you. Yeah. The Ace of Swords in the reverse. Even though hindi mo alam kung anong patutunguhan. Just go with the flow. Ayun ang naririnig ko. Okay. So, anong meron sa person mo? Anong meron sa kanya? Ang advice ni universe pagdating sa situation ninyo is to go with the flow. Just go with the flow. Okay? Yeah, be patient. Be patient. Yan pa. Okay, anong meron pagdating sa person mo? The Ten of Pentacles. Wow. Some of them pwedeng earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, nakikita mo itong taong ito na some of them may pera. Some of them, they're stable. Okay? So, Gusto mong magkaroon ng family with this person. Gusto mong magkaroon ng long-term relationship with this person. Commitments. Okay? The Three of Cups though. Energy of Three of Cups na naka-reversed. Some of you nakakakuha ko ng energy dito, Cancer ha, na nakadikit ka lang sa kanya. Yung energy mo. Okay? Kahit hindi sure. Some of them, may family involved. This is specific. This is so specific. The Three of Cups in reverse, there's no label. Some of you. Walang label na ibinibigay. Vice versa. Open connection, open relationship. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, sabihin natin, kung wala mang third party, andyan ka lang talaga for them. Or vice versa. Kasi you see each other na, okay, ito na talaga yung for me. Siya na talaga yung for, 'di ba? Ganun ang nakukuha ko. Okay. What's their emotion? Tingnan natin. Emotion or intention. Okay. Cancer. What's their emotion or intention? The Four of Wands in reverse. The King of Pentacles. We have here fire sign and Capricorn. Okay. So, the Four of Wands in reverse, the Hermit is here. This person is, sabihin nating, sabihin nating parang practical. Okay? Self-centered. Okay, yan na nakukuha ko. Some of them, hindi naman totally talaga parang walang kaseryosohan sa ngayon. Yes. Going with the flow with this person. May responsibility. Itong taong ito. Practicality. Ang nakukuha ko sa kanya. Cancer. Practicality. Some of them napakatalino. Pagdating sa buhay. Hindi mo ito mababasa. Itong taong ito. Yeah. Ito ha, Cancer. Share ko lang, no? Cancerians, kayo yung mother pagdating sa lahat ng zodiac. Ikaw yung soft, no? Okay. Yes, ayan yung isa. Yeah. Cancerian, sabihin natin some of them or most of you is emotional. Andito lagi, emosyon. We have here Capricorns. This is your, tawag dyan, ka-opposite, no? Pagdating sa chart. Si Capricorn. Si Capricorns, ayan yung father figure. Okay? Sila yung laging in control. Sila yung hard-headed. I don't know. Sinasabi nga ng iba kung ano yung hindi makasundo, yun yung hinahanap-hanap, no? Parang ganon. Ganon yung nakakuha ko sa inyo. And yeah, share ko lang din yon. Yeah. Cancer is the mother, Capricorn is the father. Yes. Actually. Yeah, totoo yun. Okay. So, what's their next action? So, wala pa po itong nakukuha ko sa kanya is sabihin natin self-centered, being practical. Head, utak ang gumagana sa taong ito. Ikaw, emosyon. Okay? The Seven of Pentacles in reverse, the Three of Pentacles in reverse. 7, 3, 10 of Pentacles in reversed. Some of them, talagang there's no plan pagdating sa pakikipag long term, no? Oo. Sa'yo. Ikaw, 10 of Pentacles na naka-upright, sila Ten of Pentacles na nakabaliktad. So, yun nga, opposite attract. Yun ba yun? Ha? Yun ba? I don't know. The Ten of Cups is here. Some of you, this person, sabihin natin meron silang kakonect. Or meron silang something like family, ganyan. Okay? Iba sa inyo, pwedeng kayo ay karmic. Ngayon lang ako magsasabi nito. Okay? Madalang akong magsabi ng ganito pagdating sa isang love read. Okay? Pero yes, ang nakukuha ko sa sitwasyon nyo is karmic kayo. Hindi, this is not private. Okay? This is not private. Pero nakakakuha ko ng energy dito na some of you, you're in a karmic relationship with your person. Okay? Yung kahit anong gawin ninyo, hindi pwede. Pero gusto nyong isa't isa or pwedeng gusto mo siya. Yeah. Okay? Some of you kasi may third party involved. Kaya hindi pwede. Hindi niya kaya maging responsible sa kanyang emosyon pagdating sa'yo. Even though sabihin natin, yeah, mayroon silang emosyon for you, pero they're not open. Hindi nila magawa yung responsibility nila para sa'yo. What's your outcome? / advice. The Two of Cups. See? This is a strong connection. Some of you, this is totally a karmic connection. Okay? The Seven of Wands in reverse. Hindi to dapat parang ipilit. Okay? May pagkakaintindihan kayo dyan. Yes, may pagkakaintindihan dyan. Hindi naman ito parang sabihin nating magtatagpo or magkakaintindihan. Kasi meron you know. May pagkakaintindihan dito kahit yung sitwasyon is hindi sila naiintindihan. Nagkakaintindihan kayo pero yung mga nakapaligid sa inyo hindi nila maintindihan kayong dalawa. Like that. Yes. Para kayong tawag dyan, Romeo and Juliet. O, diba? Ang tawag doon sa ganun. Oo. Against, Keme. Oh my golly. Ito hindi mo kailangang ipilit to. Hindi nyo kailangang pag-focusan. Okay? The Seven of Wands in reverse. This is like, just let, parang go with the flow. Parang ganyan. Alam niyo kung ano yung mali. Alam niyo kung ano yung tama. Ha? Yes. Alam niyo, pag hindi kayo nag-click ng taong to, darating ang panahong magkikita ulit kayo nito. Because you're in a karmic contract. Yeah, nakapirma kayo doon. Ano po yun? Wala po akong pinipirmahan. Naka-align kay universe yung energy nyo. Okay? May kontrata. May kontrata kayong pinirmahan kay universe. Kahit noon pa, panahon pa ng dinosaur. Okay? Walang yes. Meron na talagang nakatali sa inyong dalawa. This is karmic. Pwedeng nag-failed before, ngayon parang failed na naman. I don't know, sa panahon ng future, I don't know kung ano magiging kalalabasan ng connection nyo. And yeah, ang nakuha ko, 100%, magkikita pa rin kayo nito. Hindi to basta-basta nawawala. Okay? Mahirap to. Actually. Okay? Pero every time na you're in each other's loving arms, diba? Yes, everything is so colorful. Kahit yeah. No? Ang kanyang tinig ay musika para sa iyo. Diba yung mga ganun. Pero, Maraming hadlang. Okay, maraming hadlang. This is karmic. So, alam nyo naman kung kung hindi bakit po gano'n? Hindi kami matapos-tapos. Alam namin gusto namin ng isa't isa. Pero bakit hindi niya magawa yung mga responsibilidad? Bakit gano'n? Parang mali po yung tadhana. Parang gano'n. Yes. Okay? Pero masaya kayo. Iba sa inyo, kakonect nyo to eh. Pero wrong timing lang. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang ating nakukuha. Karmic contract. Paano mag-end? Ayaw po naming mag-end. Ay, bahala kayo. Pero sa iba na gusto mag-end, alamin nyo yung lesson kung anong meron para makaalis ka dyan. Okay? You need to decode. Yeah. Okay. So, Aries, they're confused. Some of them may option. Taurus, no reconciliation. Gemini, they're open. Some of them may bibigay sa'yo. Cancer, back and forth. Okay. Leo, no stability, no long-term connection. Virgo, they want commitments. Libra, okay, pwedeng may tuturo si Libra sa'yo. Some of them, they're stalking you. Scorpio, they're attracted. Okay? Nakakuha mo yung attention ni Scorpio. Sagittarius, changes. Yeah. Capricorns, you're just wasting your time with this Capricorn. Okay? Some of them, they're not invested. Aqua, they're dropping you. Okay? Pisces, they're moving on. Yeah. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for you. Cancerian placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!